Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Absolutely amazing how this worked out and how the Elliott Wave count here with this example worked out as well. We talked about here this A, B, C, D, E triangle. Yeah, told you here that while the price could go a little bit higher, in a wave E, a move down based on this Elliott Wave count would be expected and imminent because usually, and I showed you yesterday in the Elliott Wave video about Ethereum, I explained to you those Elliott Wave counts for the Elliott Wave triangles, and I explained to you that opposite of the wave E typically would exit that triangle, and this to me at the moment doesn't look like a fake out. It looks quite strong and it seems to be establishing itself down here, but of course you never know, it could still be a fake out, but for now it's really looking like that yeah, the price is establishing itself down there and that we are heading further lower. So let's take a quick look at what this could now be. Updated you yesterday about that, and we can take a look here. Yeah, we see the wave 4 peaked up here. In this scenario, the wave 4 would have peaked up here. In this the same wave where also the wave E peaked and completed that triangle, and then we did expect a move in the next instance outside of the triangle. I mentioned to you that it's very crucial to break that $1,900 level for the bears. And as we went through, that was big move down, yeah, in that one. And we moved just 4.5% in just 1 hour, maybe even a little bit more. I only started here at the breakout point, but this was crucial. And we can now label this as an impulsive move down. So it is currently looking like, oh, come on, no. It's currently looking like, so while this here was the wave 4 peak, in my opinion, at least that is how it's looking at the moment, it now looks more like we are now underway in the wave 5 to the downside. First of all, let's talk about the invalidation point. This entire scenario would be invalidated if the price gets back above $1,933. That is here the Binance price. So I will now move that $1,901 level a little bit higher because we broke it and therefore basically confirmed the triangle is complete and we broke below it. But now I move that level a bit higher, and the reason for that is that we can now see here an impulsive move down. So we can count this as a wave 1 down, we can count this here as a wave 2 up, and we can count this here as a wave 3 down and a wave 4 up and a wave 5 down. What is now very important in this wave 4 is not allowed to break back above that $1,933 level. If it does that, it would overlap with the wave 1, and that would in this scenario here invalidate that pattern. So this would be anyway quite a strong retracement for a wave 4, unlikely for a wave 4. Now, what is the price target for the wave 3? Let's take a look at that, what it actually already did. Yeah, what it already did. All right. So because it broke already below the 1.618 Fibonacci extension level, it can be counted as a wave 3. But because it broke below it already, what is the next likely target? So basically everything from the 1.618 Fibonacci extension level is a wave 3 target. But very likely is of course then the extension, which is the 2.618 Fib extension. So we could expect that wave 3 actually to reach that $1,755 level. It would just be a likely scenario, yeah. But also the 2.38, also the 200% is likely, which is at $1,808. We're actually just going to that level. Oh wow, while I make this video, we actually see another sell-off, all right. But yeah, very likely here the 2.618, which is the $1,755 level. Yeah. So, and then we see wave 4 up and the wave 5 down. And again, this could be the last major leg down. But to do that, or to complete this overall correction for Ethereum, before we can get back into more sustainable uptrends, yeah, and then into maybe to a journey to new all-time highs, we need, in my opinion, to make that lower low. We talked about it, below $1,700. Expect a lot of support at $1,700. If that level breaks, then we can really talk here about $1,500, $1,300 maybe, yeah? So at the moment, this is moving down. I had a question in the last video. I said that I don't think Ethereum will move down here within a few days. You know, it will probably take a couple of weeks or so. While it will move down impulsive doesn't mean it has to happen very quickly. Impulsive means that we have a 5-wave move. So it means we have a wave 1 into the trend direction down, a wave 2 against the trend direction up, a wave 3 with a trend direction down, a wave 4 with a trend direction up, and a wave 5 with a trend direction down. That is impulsive. You could also call it actionary wave or motive wave, because it moves in the direction of the high level trend. That is all impulsive is. Yeah, normally it moves faster, but just because it's impulsive, it doesn't mean it happens instantly. It can take a few weeks because it moves up and down. It's always the exchange of optimism and pessimism in the market, fear and greed. They are the key basic emotions. So hopefully that made sense. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, check out the channel membership, and also make sure you check out, if you're interested, the trading course, the video trading course I'm currently offering on morecryptoonline.com. I think a really reasonable price. It will have 15 chapters. I'm currently in chapter 6, so I upload 1 chapter per week. And it's a video course, and this week we are covering the Elliott Waves. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.